John. In case you didn't know who it was, it's my name. So, I got my first airsoft gun, and it's pretty awesome. It's the G&G Combat Machine. It's pretty cool, on me. But there's a couple little things that I wanted to add on to it and do. So I figured, why not do a video? It will work for pretty much all the different guns with a dust cover, I'm pretty sure. I know my regular AR, it's the same way. So what I'm wanting to do is, you see how that's just old plain Jane, okay? Well, I had this one laying around, and I like just throw it on there. So we're going to replace them. I'm just going to do a little video, show y'all how to replace them. It's pretty easy, so let's get into it. Okay. Make sure this stuff's out of the way. Oh. Here's the parts that this came with. All came in this bag. So, the only tool I have with me today is a pair of Gerber, utility pliers. Gets the job done. So, like I said, they're pretty simple. So what you have to do is there's a little pin right there that is this, that you will have to remove. So just get your pliers, go in there somehow, and it comes right out. I'll lay that right there. Alright, now should be pretty simple, but what you want to pay attention to is what's going on here as you're doing this. So you just slide this pin out. See how it popped up? Just pull it out, and I usually put my finger right here on this little piece of the spring so it don't pop out, because it is under tension. And then you'll just continue to pull this out. Remember, the long piece of the spring faces this way, and the short one that way. It's important because you don't want this long piece sitting all up here in your way. So now, that's it. Easy peasy. Now you grab the new one, slide it up there. Go ahead and start the pin. And get about right there. Leave it sticking through a little bit. Go ahead and get your new spring. You can use the old one if you choose to. This one came with a new one. So I'm going to throw this bad boy on there. You have to twist it to get pressure on it. Let me make sure they're the same. Yeah, okay. So you're going to have to, what way? This way. Put it on there. Get it to go. Ah! Do old 50 on. Okay, there we go. Go ahead, push that rod on through. Something's going on here. Guess I got an angle or something. Well, yep. Well, this piece of the spring is too short. See, here's the old one. Both of them are kind of long. This one's just got like a little tiny. I'll try it one more time, see if I can get it on there. I'd like to use that one, personally. Just because it's black. Yeah, no, yeah, guys, let's wait a second one. Retard, I'll show you how to do it. Oh, damn it. You know, oh, I see what's happening. I see what it is. You see what it is. Is there a difference? Ah, there is. The silver spring is shorter. So, you know what we're going to do? We're just going to go ahead and use the silver one. So much more simpler. I should have just used that one to begin with. And if you see, there's that little slot there. Let's see, I don't know if I can, it's about all my zoom can zoom. But you'll take your little lock and try to finagle it right on there. Get a pair of pliers. Just pop it. Just pop it right back on there. And now, alright, I'm dumbass.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
Apparently there's a difference. Apparently there's a difference between these two, because this one will not, hey, this one will not close. Due to this. So, now that we got this pretty much down pat, and I wasted my money, I will just go ahead, put this bad boy on my sink. A little booger can be tough sometimes. So, same way, take the pin out, hold the spring down, go ahead, take the old cover plate off, stored it on back in there. Going to go ahead, get this flipped, get that where it's supposed to be, feed it on through, feed it on through. Okay. There's where that little pin goes. Man, this thing's a little booger, I tell you what. It is a little booger. Now, get our handy dandy pair of pliers. I can pull it right off like I did, because my pliers are magnetized. Oh, there it is. Just popped it right back in there. Right. Yeah, it's on there. So, see how that one completely closes like it should, and then pops open. Well, hopefully this is not a completely wasted video. But the same technique is what you would use to install one if it actually fit. So with that, you know, it would look cool. I mean, just use my imagination. Or I might be able to sand this down, maybe, because maybe that's the problem. That's how big that is versus that, and that's what's hitting here. Because in all, oh no, there's a difference clearly, and I'm just a dumbass. So with that being said, there should be some more videos to come of me, you know, with this adventure journey, I would say, my journey with airsoft. This gun is pretty awesome. It, like I said, this is my first airsoft gun. It's not like, you know, the Walmart special spring back. I mean, and I'll flat out tell you what sold the gun to me. Okay, right back yonder is a little compartment that I will be putting Skittles in for, you know, combat snacks. Nah, I'd probably put a battery in there if I can for something. Well, I don't know if I would need it, but this thing is really cool though. It's got the pop-up sights. It's got the old duck mouth on it, old duck, and it's loud. Just give me, see. I'd hate to shoot something. Oops. Damn. Shot my fish tank.
You're killing me, Smalls.